Introducing the 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan RL 2.0tdi D7F. This stunning 150 horsepower 5-door auto in white offers luxury and safety features galore. With comfort and accessories like satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone and ambient lighting, you'll cruise in style. Security features like ABS, lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking keep you safe on the road. The chrome package, roof rails and privacy glass add a touch of elegance. And with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing and a comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information on this incredible vehicle.